This dish is one of my dad's fave. This is for you, Daddy. Happy Father's Day. We love you so much. Enjoy your day. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, Mommy will cook a very special recipe. We need shrimps, tomato sauce, mayonnaise, butter, garlic. The measurement of each ingredient is listed at the description box below. Onion, chili, salt, pepper, and sugar, and cheese. Let's start cooking! First, add the butter and melt it. Next, put in the crushed garlic. Mix and wait until the garlic turns lightly brown. Then add the onion. Wait until it becomes translucent. By the way, guys, thank you for always watching our videos. Now put the chili. Continue stirring. While waiting for these ingredients to be cooked, kindly hit the subscribe button below. It's time to add our shrimps. We really love shrimps, especially shrimp from Bugay, Cagayan. The taste of it is so different. Believe me, it tastes terrific. Now add salt and pepper. Stir and let us wait for 2 to 3 minutes before adding other ingredients. Make sure the sides of the shrimp turns orange before adding tomato sauce. Then, pour in tomato sauce. Stir. This recipe was taught by Tita Mape to Mommy. And now, it's time to add our mayonnaise. Mayonnaise will add creaminess to this dish. Ito yung sinasabi nilang, sauce pa lang, ulam na. So you make sure you have extra rice. It's time to add the grated cheese. The cheese and sugar will balance the taste of tomato sauce and mayonnaise. Now, add the sugar. Stir and simmer for another 2 to 5 minutes or so. Wait for the cheese to melt. It's done, and turn off the heat. Put some green onions as toppings, but this is just optional. Serve and enjoy your meal! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.